This is my new buddy Sean in Walterboro, South Carolina, who's a DIYer. What do you know? He was on the way to the junkyard with a tub, an old claw tub. What did I do? Stopped, talked to him for a while, promised to send him some Ekopel in the mail and make his own video out of it. And he accepted and he did it. Check this out.
Here's the start of doing an epoxy tub yourself. The don'ts. Have your powder coater blast off the porcelain and to try to powder it, because you will end up with this. Doesn't look too great. Due to the cast iron releasing gases, you will have a pretty messed up situation that I'm running into here. Can't really tell in the pictures, but soon comes the epoxy do-it-yourself. Here you go, Brian. Epoxy's on. Setting up pretty good.
There you go. Found a guy having coffee, heading to the dump, saved his tub, and now it's part of his new addition he put on that house in Walterboro, South Carolina. So, if you see me approach you and you're about to throw away a tub and I say I'm the tub saver, that's because I am the tub saver. We'll see you soon.